You open your iPhone's call log to find someone, and what do you see? A complete mess. It's flooded with WhatsApp audio calls, burying the actual phone calls you were looking for. You make one quick call on WhatsApp, and suddenly it's tangled up with your important work calls and family chats. It's cluttered, disorganized, and frankly, a bit of a privacy headache. And what's the common advice? Just delete them one by one. But that feels like playing digital whack-a-mole because they just come back the next day. It's frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple manual way to do a quick cleanup, but more importantly, the deeper trick that could finally stop them from showing up in your call log for good. We're going to fix this from the inside out. So before we fix it, let's quickly talk about why this is even happening. And no, your phone isn't broken. This is actually a feature, not a bug. A while back, Apple introduced something called CallKit. The whole point was to make apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and others feel like they're a native part of your iPhone. Think of CallKit as the bridge that lets WhatsApp plug right into your iPhone's main phone functions. It's the reason you can answer a WhatsApp call from your lock screen, just like a regular call. But it's also the reason those calls get dumped right into your Recents tab. Apple designed this for a seamless experience, but in doing so, they created this exact problem of a mixed-up call history. The main thing to know is that there isn't an official off switch from Apple or WhatsApp to stop this. Apple's own forums are filled with people asking for this, but so far, nothing. That means we have to get a little creative with workarounds. All right, first up, the quick cleanup. If you just want to tidy up the existing mess, this is the fastest way to do it. You've got a few options here. To delete a single call, just open your phone app and go to the Recents tab. You'll see all your calls, and the WhatsApp ones are clearly labeled. Find the one you want to zap, swipe from right to left across it, and a red delete button will pop up. Tap it, and it's gone. But what if your log is a total disaster? Deleting them one by one is a pain. Instead, look for the Edit button in the top right corner of your screen. Tap it. The screen will change, and you'll see a little red minus icon next to every call. You can just tap the icon next to each WhatsApp call you want to nuke, and then tap Delete. It's much faster for clearing out several at once. When you're finished, hit Done. Finally, there's what I call the nuclear option, clearing your entire call history. Quick warning, this deletes everything, regular calls, FaceTime, and all third-party app calls. If you're okay with a completely fresh start, here's how you do it. In the Recents tab, tap Edit, but this time look at the top left corner. You'll see a Clear button. Tap that, confirm Clear All Recents, and your entire call log will be wiped clean. One last thing to mention, you can also clear your call history from inside the WhatsApp app itself. If you open WhatsApp, go to the Calls tab and clear the history there. It only affects the log inside WhatsApp. It does not touch the call log in your iPhone's phone app, which is the problem we're trying to solve today. Manually deleting calls is fine, but it's a temporary fix. The very next WhatsApp call you get will show up again. This next method is the deeper trick that many people have found success with to stop, or at least reduce, future calls from syncing. Okay, big disclaimer here. This is a community-found workaround, not an official feature. WhatsApp and Apple don't officially support this, but tons of users have found that by tweaking how WhatsApp uses iCloud, you can disrupt the syncing process. Your results might vary depending on your iOS version, but it's the best shot we've got right now. The process has two main parts, changing an iCloud setting and then clearing your call log. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. Tap your name and profile picture right at the top to get to your Apple ID settings. From there, tap on iCloud. You'll see a list of apps using iCloud. Tap on Show All to see everything. Now scroll down until you find iCloud Drive and tap it. At the top of this next screen, you'll see another list of apps syncing to iCloud Drive. This is the key part. Find WhatsApp in this list and flip the toggle switch to off.
What you're doing is telling your iPhone to stop letting WhatsApp use iCloud Drive for background data syncing. While this setting is mainly for chat backups, it also seems to disrupt the data sync that puts call logs in your recents. A quick heads up, turning this off might mess with your chat backups, so if your chats are precious, make sure you have a recent backup before you do this. You can always turn it back on if you need to. Now for the final and most important step, you have to clear your call history after changing this setting. The new setting only applies to future calls, so it won't remove what's already there. Go back to the phone app, tap Recents, tap Edit, then Clear, and finally Clear All Recents. This gives you a clean slate for the new setting to work. To see if it worked, have a friend give you a quick WhatsApp call. Answer it, hang up, and then check your Recents log. If the call isn't there, congratulations, the workaround was a success. If the iCloud trick didn't quite work for you, or you're just curious about other options, here are a couple of other things to consider. If you have an iPad or another iPhone logged into the same Apple ID, you might notice your call log syncs between them. You can stop this by going to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, and turning off the toggle for the phone app. This will keep your call history isolated to each device. Another handy tool is right inside WhatsApp. Go to WhatsApp Settings, Privacy, Calls, and turn on Silence Unknown Callers. This will stop your phone from ringing for calls from numbers not in your contacts. They might still show up in your log, but it's great for cutting down on spam and interruptions. Finally, some people go to extremes like using screen time to set limits on WhatsApp or turning off notifications completely. Honestly, these aren't practical for most people and don't solve the actual problem of the call log integration. So, to recap, you've got two main ways to deal with this. The first is the quick and dirty manual delete. Swipe away single calls, use edit mode for a bunch, or just wipe the whole thing for a fresh start. It's a temporary but guaranteed fix. The second path is the deeper workaround. Go into your iCloud Drive settings, cut off WhatsApp's sync access, and then clear your log to hopefully prevent future calls from showing up. Just remember, this is a community fix, and your mileage may vary since that CallKit integration is built so deeply into iOS. I hope this guide helped you finally take back control of your iPhone's call log. You shouldn't have to put up with a cluttered mess. If this video was helpful, a thumbs up would be awesome. It really helps out the channel. And for more tech tips that solve real-world headaches, be sure to subscribe. Now, I want to hear from you. Did the iCloud trick work on your iPhone? Let me know in the comments, and if you can, mention what iOS version you're on. Your feedback could be the key to helping someone else solve this. Thanks for watching.